Hi, my dear friends. This is Rakesh Shanbag, KLE's Educational College of Ankola. Today, we are going to discuss about role of education in modernization. Okay. Before going to start our actual topic, we begin with the introduction. That is, what is modernization? So, what is modernization? So we all know that the word experience a rapid change because of application of science and technology, right? So we all know science and technology change this world rapidly. Earlier we used to write letter for communication, but today we are using smartphone for communication purposes, right? So exact definition is transforming traditional society into modern society is called modernization. Okay, it is nothing but transforming traditional society into modern society by use of science and technology. Okay, is nothing but modernization. So definition as per National Education Commission. Modernization of nation means the economic development of that nation by the use of science and technology and raising the life of the common man. So simply means that by using science and technology, if any country's economic growth takes place and a change in lifestyle of any or population takes place, change in lifestyle of population takes place, such development is called as modernization. Okay, modernization is nothing but economic development of that nation by the use of science and technology and raising the life of the common man. Okay, next comes our actual topic, that is role of education in modernization. So how modernization or education change the modernization? So first one is eradication of mass illiteracy and ignorance. So mass illiteracy is almost removed now. Okay, people are literate now. Most people are literate. Illiteracy is almost negligible, right? People are moving towards knowledge from ignorance. So next, promoting emotional and national integration. We have seen that in schools, children used to sing prayers, sing national anthems. Such things will promote national and emotional integration as well. So next thing is emphasis on science and technology. From starting from school, we know that there is a subjects about science and technology which will increase the scientific temperament of people. Okay, this scientific temperament will leads to modernization. Next, need for socio-political awakening. We all know that human is a social animal, right? So by the means of education, we all more socially and politically involved in this society. Okay, next is education for international understanding. So international understanding means by means of education we all know about different countries, how different countries behave with our countries, right? What are our friendly countries and not so friendly countries, how things go international level, right? How things go at international level, we all know that. So because of education, this will lead to modernization. So last point is education for democratic values. As we know, India is a democratic country, or we have democracy here, people's government for people, right? So by this democratic values, we all know that what is our right as a citizen, what are our fundamental duties, right? So these are the major role played by the education in modernization. So next, let me conclude this topic by conclusion. Research findings have demonstrated that the level of education in society perpetuate growth of country. That means the level of education simply indicates the growth of the country, right? You can compare it with last 10 years how our education was, but now what it is today, right? So as the education increases, quality of education increases, and simultaneously the growth of country also increases. So education is directly responsible for modernization. So education is responsible for socio-cultural transformation. So it is, education is responsible for definitely transformation of our traditional thinking to modern scientific thinking, right? So it is responsible for socio-cultural transformation. Culturally we are more modernized today, more scientific today, right? So this is one of important question asked in 2018. So thanks for listening this lecture. Thank you.